This is a method to get Canva Pro for free to demonstrate how you can join a team subscription and access premium design tools without a paid membership. So, to get started, you need to open Canva in your browser and log into your standard free account. You then need to open a new tab and search for Canva team invite links on social media platforms like X. You should filter your search results to show the latest posts to find links that were uploaded recently, as these group invites tend to fill up quickly. Once you find a fresh link, you simply click on it and it will automatically redirect you back to the Canva interface. You should see a notification that you've been added to a new team, which instantly unlocks all the pro features like a background remover and premium stock library. You can then verify this by opening a new design and checking that the crown icons no longer require a payment to use. You should keep in mind that these team links can expire, so if one doesn't work, you just need to go back and try the next most recent link available. This method is a legitimate way to use Canva's team sharing feature to get pro access for free, though it may require multiple attempts to find an active group with open slots.